Filmmaking is not an easy job. It takes a lot of hard work as well as crores of rupees to make a movie. In the modern day cinema, every minute detail in the film is noticed, and the most difficult task for actors is to do intimate scenes. As compared to the golden era, today bold scenes have become common in Indian cinema. Even in the romantic scenes of yesteryear's films, the hero and heroine did not come too close to each other. But now, most of the movies are full of intimate scenes. However, the actors often feel awkward and uncomfortable during intimate scenes. So how do they do it? Well, did you know that a young woman is behind the shoot of intimate scenes in Bollywood? If not, then you must watch this video till the end, as we are going to tell you really interesting facts about how intimate scenes are shot in Bollywood movies. Also, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News. The job of the intimacy coordinator is to make the actor and actress feel comfortable during such scenes. Astha Khanna is India's first and only certified intimacy coordinator. Maybe you all are hearing about her for the first time. Actually, the main work of the intimacy coordinator is to make the actors and actresses playing the characters on the sets feel comfortable during bold scenes. According to Astha, before the film is shot in foreign countries, necessary contracts are signed with the actors, in which their consent is also taken for bold scenes. However, in Indian films and especially in Bollywood, many times it happens that the contract is signed after the film is completely shot. In such a situation, the role of intimacy coordinator becomes very important. Sometimes, actors refuse to do bold scenes, so the intimacy coordinator is given the responsibility to prepare them for the scene. Astha had said during an interview with the Indian Express that there may be a social reason for the actors to refuse these scenes. In such scenarios, intimacy coordinators are given the responsibility to prepare them for the act, she said. However, she added, if the actors are not really ready to go for the scene, then intimacy coordinators cannot force them. At the same time, she believes that in Bollywood, where most of the actors are socially connected to each other, it becomes very uncomfortable for them to do bold scenes. Astha Khanna believes that there is a greater need for intimacy coordinator in India, and this demand will continue to grow. Astha, who has worked as an assistant director in films Badlapur, Student of the Year and Andhadhun, says the demand for an intimacy coordinator has increased after the Me Too movement. In an interview to News 18, Astha revealed that she has a toolbox that includes skin-colored tape cushions, deodorants, and breath fresheners and several other tools to create barriers between actors and actresses during intimate scenes. So what do you have to say about the intimate scenes in Bollywood? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News. And don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.